Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create a new app using Metatype, a declarative API development platform that simplifies backend creation with WASM, TypeScript, and Python. Let's get started. So, to create a new app with Metatype, if you haven't installed the Meta CLI yet, you should visit metatype.dev or check the GitHub repository for installation instructions. I'll also include the link in the description. On my end, I've already done that. So let's create our first backend application with Metatype. First, open your terminal and enter the following command: meta new, and specify the template you want to use. For this tutorial, I'll use the Python template. Once your project is created, set up a new virtual environment and install the dependencies. Then run Docker compose up from the root of your project. You'll notice there's an example TypeGraph included, but it hasn't been deployed yet. Let's deploy it to see what we get. After deploying, open your favorite browser and enter the provided URL. You'll now see the GraphQL playground. Metatype makes it super simple to create a backend and expose GraphQL APIs. Now let's start developing our backend. For this tutorial, we'll create a basic CRUD application. Create a new file inside the API directory and name it crudapp.py. In this example, we'll need a database, so let's import Prisma Runtime from the providers. Now, let's set up the secret key for the database in metatype.yaml. For this example, rename example to the name of our TypeGraph, so CRUD app. In Prisma Runtime, add the database name DB and set the secret key for the URL as Postgres. Then we'll define our models and create one named product. Specify the fields for our model. Define an ID field as the primary key with auto increment. Set the name field to be unique and desk for the description as optional. Finally, add price as a float. Then expose all of these fields to the GraphQL API. You'll see how straightforward it is to create a model with Metatype. After defining the model, deploy the CRUD application and create the database migration. Once that's done, head back to the browser and test it, just like we did with the example earlier. Now we have create, read, update, and delete operations available in GraphQL. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support us by contributing to the Metatype project on GitHub. The link is in the description. Even leaving a star is already a contribution, or just try it out and let us know what you think. See you in the next one.